Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can create a video list in Notion, whether it is for your YouTube project or it is for your client or whatever. This is how you can create a video list very simply. So go to your Notion, from the left panel go to templates, and here simply search for video, and here get a bunch of templates. So you have to select this one that says video production and click add to my workspace, then select your desired workspace in which you want to add that template. Alright guys, as you can see, it has set up this template in our Notion database, and here we can add all of our video lists. So if you want to add new videos, simply click new and you can add your new videos, and you can add other details related to your videos if you want, and you can bulk import data by pressing this new button, and you can do all of your videos here. So this is how you can create a video list in Notion using a very simple pre-built template in Notion. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thanks for watching.